Hello, good morning. Standard ninth, Maths 1, Chapter 2, Real Numbers. We studied about rationalization factor. Last period we studied about this, and now we study about rationalization of denominator. Rationalization of denominator. Example from practice set 2.3, question number 9, practice set 2.3, question number 9. There are some examples. Rationalize the denominator. So the examples are 3 by root 5, 1 by root 14, 5 by root 7, it is easy. So 6 by 9 root 3. These are some examples from your textbook. Question number 9. So all these examples, observe their denominators are irrational. To form it in rational form, we have to multiply it by rationalizing factor. So for this example, 3 by root 5, rationalization, if we want to do rational, so we have to multiply it by root 5. So square root of 25, it is 5 and it is rational. So multiply given example by root 5 and divide also root 5. So numerator and denominator multiply by rationalizing factor root 5, we get 3 root 5 and product of this, that is root 25. Square root of 25, that is 5. So the question is rationalization of denominator. So this denominator become rational. This is the process. In this, write down multiply by root 5 to given number and then solve all these type. Another example, 1 by root 14. So multiply each numerator and denominator by multiplying rationalizing factor, that is 14, and we get product of this root 14, product of this 2, 5, 6 and root 14 square root of this, that is 4. In this way we rationalize denominator. In this example, 9 into root 3. So rationalizing factor is root 3. So multiply by root 3 to each term. Therefore 6, 9 root 3 multiplying by this by root 3, we get 6 root 3. Also 9 product of this, that is root 9 and 6 root 3 by 9 into 3. So 6 root 3 by 27. If we want to simplify by 3, it is also done. So These are examples showing denominator is rational, so rationalization of denominator. This is the process. Some examples are in your textbook. Practice it. The next point is revision or some. Next point, it is multiplication of given numbers, and for this basic information given, if a is greater than 0, it means a is positive. Greater than 0 means positive. Also b is greater than 0 means b also positive. Then square root of ab, it is written separately like this. Square root of ab is written in separate sign like this. Also a plus b, a minus b, product of these two brackets, it is written square of a minus b square. These are formulas. Also square root of a and square of it is a. Also in square root there are a square, then square root of a square, that is also a. So these are general informations regarding to next our point. There are some examples on page number 31, solved examples. Multiply, example 1, 2. These are in textbooks, write in your notebook. तर आपण पुढचा घटक असा अभ्यासतोय, करणी संख्यांच्या विविध रचनांचा गुणाकार अशा स्वरूपात आहे. आणि ते अभ्यासताना आपल्याला काही या अगोदरच्या इयत्तेत आपण ज्या गोष्टी अभ्यासल्यात त्याची उजळणी स्वरूप मांडल्या. जर ए धन असेल, बी धन असेल, तर ए बी चं वर्गमूळ लिहिताना आपण ते दोन वेगवेगळ्या करणी चिन्हात लिहू शकतो. दोघांना सेपरेट करणी चिन्ह देऊ शकतो. तसंच ए अधिक बी, ए वजा बी या दोन कंसांचा गुणाकार लिहिताना आपण तो गुणाकार डायरेक्ट ए वर्ग वजा बी वर्ग असा लिहू शकतो. गुणाकार करून बघा, तेच उत्तर तुम्हाला मिळेल. वर्गमुळात ए चा वर्ग हा ए असतो किंवा ए वर्गचं वर्गमूळ सुद्धा ए असतो. या प्रकारची उदाहरणं इथे आहेत. आपल्याला या पुढच्या उदाहरणात त्याचा वापर करायचा आहे. मल्टिप्लिकेशन करताना आपण एक एक एक्झाम्पल त्याचं घेऊयात. प्रॅक्टिस सेट 2.4 मध्ये मल्टिप्लाय म्हणलंय. example number 1, multiply √3 into bracket √7 minus √3. So multiply these two, √3 into √7 minus multiplication √3 into √3. So it is √21. Also it is √9. So √21 minus 3 is the answer. Another √2 minus √3 4 root 3 minus root 2. So product of these two, 3 root 2, 4 root 3. Product of these two, minus plus minus 3 root 2 multiplied by root 2. Then product of these two, minus plus, that is minus root 3 into 4 root 3. Also both this minus minus plus root 3 into root 3. Like this. प्रत्येकाने गुणाकार आहे. याने या दोन्ही पदांना गुणलं, याने याला गुणलं हे लिहिलं, या दोघांचा गुणाकार इथे लिहिला, या दोघांचा गुणाकार इथे लिहिला, या दोघांचा गुणाकार इथे लिहिला. चिन्हांचा विचार करावा लागेल. आणि मग पुढे 3 आणि 4, 3 into 4 that is 12 and product of this that is root 6 multiplication minus 3 product of these two root 4 minus root 3 into root 3 that is root 9, so 4 into root 9 and product of this that is root 6, like this. Then simplify this, root 6 minus 3 into square root of 4 that is 2 minus 4 into square root of 9 that is 3 and 2. So these are like such, 12 root 6 plus root 6 and product of this 6, 12. So addition of this, root 6 is taken common, 12 and plus 1 and it is minus 18. So the answer is 13 root 6 minus 18. Like this. तर अशा प्रकारे या उदाहरणामध्ये दोन कंसांचा गुणाकार कसा करायचा याविषयी माहिती दिलेली आहे. अशा प्रकारची उदाहरणं पुस्तकात अजून आहेत, त्या उदाहरणांचा सराव करा, अभ्यास करा. आपण इथे